Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Upholstery and carpet cleaner from Silvercrest, the model SPR 800A1 for cleaning carpets, upholstery, mattresses and textiles. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual, long power cord 6 meters, very convenient, I like that. The spiral hose, it is 1.7 meters. Here we have the storage for the power cord. You can have that here, very convenient, lock and unlock. Nice. And the same, you can storage the spiral hose here around. Here I need to install an adapter. I'm sure it is somewhere inside these containers. Just pull this lock. And I can remove the first container. There is the adapter. It has one screw. And I need to install that here. Nice. So now I can storage the spiral hose with a lever. Let's remove in this container, just pull and remove. That is the container for the fresh water with a capacity 2.5 liters, we can see here. Clean water solution tank. You can open that and refill with water. And you can use that cleaning agent. Install that here. Let's take a look how it is. Inside the container we have one hose and another one here. And the container for the dirty water with a capacity 1.9 liters. Silicone rubber in here. Here it has a mesh. And it is very easy to install. And it locks. Press and this lock, and that was all. Press to unlock, pull to remove. Same in here, just pull to remove. Or if you don't want to remove the container, just open this cover and refill. Let's check the other accessories. We have the nozzle white with a brass, blue brass, transparent here, and the narrow blue brass here, transparent, and you can connect that at the front. That was all, so easy. press this button to remove. Same in here, and it locks. So easy to install and remove. And here we have the extraction for the water and the button. Press the button to extract the water. I will show you, of course, how it works. I like it. It is very compact. You can have one of these nozzles here and storage, and the other one here. Small, compact, very easy for storage. I like it. Silicone rubbers at the bottom. And I can see in this cover, oh, it is for the tube. If you want to remove the tube, check the tube. Nice, I like it. And of course, don't forget we have the on-off switch on a black and some areas light blue. So let's move on and test it, see how it works. I have added the water with the detergent. And we need stains from ketchup, mustard, nice. I will test it with the white nozzle. On-off switch. Clean as new, I like it. And if you want, you can remove this cover and clean the nozzle. Same and for the small. Now let me use the small one. And again, stains from ketchup, mustard. All in all, for its price point and the cleaning power it delivers, the carpet cleaner is a surprisingly effective machine. It's fantastic for tackling those stubborn stains, refreshing tired carpets, or giving your upholstery a much needed deep clean. If you are looking for an affordable way to bring professional level cleaning into your home, this one definitely stands out, especially for its value, only 80 euros. Now, I'm really keen to hear from you. Do you own the Silvercrest carpet cleaner or a similar carpet and upholstery cleaner? What has your experience been like? What are your biggest challenges when it comes to keeping carpets and upholstery clean? Are there any other home cleaning gadgets or specific cleaning problems you'd like us to tackle in future videos? Let me know all your thoughts, tips and questions down below in the comment section. I love reading your feedback and engaging with you all. And that brings us to the end of our comprehensive review of the Silvercrest Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner. I truly hope this video has given you a really clear picture of its capabilities and whether it's the right cleaning solution to refresh your home. If you found this video helpful, informative, or just enjoyed seeing the upholstery and carpet cleaner in action, please give it a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming home appliance reviews, cleaning tips and household hacks. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other home cleaning tech reviews right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep those homes spotless and I'll catch you in the next video.